Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. We are back in our 2D software, that means Autocad. Today we are starting a new series of Autocad tutorials. Here we start a 2D exercise of Autocad. This is a first exercise in Autocad. I hope you are enjoying our Logic Designs Autocad tutorial videos. So let's get started our exercise first. Class, this is loading interface of Autocad. Now select first a template for our drawing. Here I am selecting acad.dwt. Now open it. Now you can see here totally new interface of drawing 1 is here. Now here I am turning off a background grid. Okay, now you can see here clear window of drawing area. Now set first limits. Put limits in the command bar, then press enter, then put 0 tab 0 and 420 by 297, that means A3 sheet. Press Z button plus enter button for zoom and again A plus enter button for scale factor. Now our sheet is ready to draw. You can see here left side of drawing area one image will be shown. For our reference, this image is our first exercise. Please read this exercise before draw. First, we need to create a circle. For that, press C button from your keyboard for opt circle command. Here I am putting center point. Okay, 0 tab 0, then press enter and put radius or diameter. Here I am putting 15 mm radius for circle. For next circle, same procedure will be followed. Now I am creating second circle of radius 20. Okay, the second circle was created. Now here I am creating center line. For that we need to press L plus enter for opt line move command. Here I am giving a layer for center line and here I am changing the properties of line. Okay, now give the layer. This is center line, red color for center line. This is 65 mm line. Now again create the circles. Okay, first 15 mm radius circle, then second one 20 mm radius circle. Now here I am creating a 10-10 radius circle. Okay, tangent of two circles with radius. Here I am selecting 10-10 radius from circle command. Okay, select first circle for tangent, then second one, then put radius. Radius is 20 mm. Then trim out unwanted area. Okay, the upper part of the exercise is now created. Now select again line for lower part of exercise. Okay, here I am creating one line of 100 mm distance. For that we need to put 100 mm distance. Okay, now again layer settings. Okay, center line and change the properties for as per our drawing requirement. Okay, here I am creating a 55 mm diameter circle. For that we need to opt circle command. Here I am putting 27.5 mm radius. Okay, now here I am creating a PCD circle for reference of 4 holes of 12 mm diameter. Okay, Now give it to layers, change the properties as per our drawing component. Okay, now property was changed. We all know the diameter is equal to 2 times radius. Okay, so here I am putting 6 mm radius for first circle. Now select array command. Okay, in array command select polar array for remaining holes. Select object and select path. Okay, or center. You can see here the items are 4 and okay. Okay, now you see here the 4 items are created, that means 4 holes of 12 mm diameter. Now create an tangent circle of upper part or lower part of the exercise of radius 98 mm. For that select 10 radius circle and select these two circles and put 98 mm radius and trim out remaining area. For that put TR plus double enter from your keyboard for out trim command. Okay, now okay, trimming is done. Now next is tangent line. Select line command. For that you need to press L plus enter from your keyboard. Now select circle or put right button from your mouse and select tangent option. Now first circle is selected. Again same procedure, right mouse button click and select tangent and select circle. Okay, now our object is now created. Here final touch of our exercise is annotations or dimensions. Okay, first I am giving radius of 98 mm, then next is 20 mm radius. Okay, then again 20 mm radius. Please press 2 times spacebar for last command. Okay, here I am giving all drawing annotation. Now 45 mm distance. Okay, now again 20 mm distance. Next one 55 mm diameter. Okay, at bottom side. Here I forgot to add layers to these dimensions. Now here I am adding the layers for dimensions. Please remember yellow color for dimensions. Now again radius of 10 mm internal circle. Okay, next one. Next is 100 mm distance from top to bottom centers. Okay, here I am giving. Okay, now 100 mm distance is now displayed. Next one is PCD of 538 and 4 holes of 512 is given. Okay, that's it class. This is the first exercise of AutoCAD of 2D modeling with shortcut keys in AutoCAD. I hope you all now understand how to draw a 2D models in AutoCAD. If you like our today's video tutorial of AutoCAD exercise first, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated design videos, tips and tricks in AutoCAD as well as SolidWorks. See you in the next video in AutoCAD exercise 2. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.